What is up, guys? It's MidgeDesigns here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add text around an object. So for example, this object could be a circle, it could be a square, it could just be a squiggly line. Now this was requested to me earlier today, and I'm only just making the video now. Bit of a daft time at 8 at night. But what I'm going to start doing is making a new document. Don't worry about it all. Right now I'm just going to add my grids, so give me a second. No, I don't need grids for this, I just want to add them. Anyway, I know where I'm at. There will be a tutorial on how to add the grids and all that soon. So I'll talk about all the grids and all that stuff. Anyway. The layout I'm in right now is Typography. Now, this is what I mostly use InDesign for, is typography and all that. The reason why you need to be in this is, well, it's easier to find the tool we're looking for, which is up here, right where that T is. That's the type tool, and if you press and hold on it with your mouse, you'll find type on a path tool, or if you use Shift T. So first, we're going to get a few shapes in here. So if I just get a square, it might take some doing on first time. Get a circle, and we'll get, how many sides has this got? We'll get, forgotten the name of that. We'll get a hexagon. Sorry, that's how bad my memory is today. Ignore the fact that I made a mistake. Anyway, once you've got your shapes, go to type on a path tool, which is up here, or you can just press Shift and T. And there we go. Click on the edge. So if I just put tutorial 01, you'll see it started putting it on there. Now, if I just move that up here, let me just rotate that shape. I'm holding caps lock here, but you'll see it started up there. So if I just zoom in, there we go. And now I can move that anywhere, but we're going to keep it up there for now. And where you can get rid of that afterwards is just turn off the stroke. So when you go to that, you can't tell. Works better with circles. So I'll show you guys with a circle. I know this sounds not as entertaining as it can, but bear with me. It is my first time doing one of these. So again, Shift and T, or you can just select it from up here where the T is on the screen. Go to your shape, wait for this little plus to show up. Right, I'll zoom in more, see if you can see it. Hold up, there we go. There should be a little plus that comes up next to it. If it doesn't come up, it's not going to work. So click on that, we'll put here, subscribe. Okay. There we go. Okay, so it's a bit glitchy, but it works. So if I change the font up here to, what shall we change it to? Bigger over? Yeah. Change it to that. Increase the size. As you can see, it scales around the circle. Now, see, let me just see. No, that's to copy that. That's take that off there. Now, I don't want to take that from there. Right. Oh, goodness me. Right. So this little bit here, it's got a line and an arrow. We move that along. Give me a minute. I don't know why I want to keep copying it. let's say we move that here, we can reposition it however we like. Or if you want to save yourself some time, just rotate the entire shape. Trust me, it took a while to figure all this out. If you want it to go across the top, be aware that right now it's saying that there's no space for it, which rightfully so. So that's when you need to find this one and move that along. So if I move, let's say I move this to 6 o'clock and move this back down too far to about, I don't know, 8, you see it goes across the top. Now when I get rid of the stroke on the circle and I take off the grids, you see it's now curved. That circle's still there, which it will be, so it allows you to move it easily, but your text is now curved. And same will apply for any other shape. So if I go here real quick and I just put curve text on objects and I change the font again just so you guys can see it. As you can see with the hexagon, it goes around each side, and when you turn off the stroke it looks like that. But yeah, that's really all there is to it. It's simple, just one tool and a shape and then a bit of messing about. Now it's this line here you'll see if you attempt this, and this line here that you just need to mess about with to get it where you want it to be. Obviously change the font, double click on it, Command A, select it all, that's what that will do, and change the font. Now the commands that I've used and the shortcuts, I will put them in the description so you can make a note of them. But if you have enjoyed this little tips and tricks on InDesign on how to put text around an object, do tune in for more, as I will be doing one on grids and I'll be doing some in Illustrator and Photoshop as well. Anyway, if you guys have enjoyed, I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, subscribe, follow the social media, links all in the bio. I'll see you guys in the next one.